Hello friends, today I'll show you how to cook a shrimp with rice. I made it with white rice and black rice. First I will saute the onion with enough olive oil, and always use good quality olive oil. When the onion become golden, add prawns or shrimps and cook on medium. Also add spices. I'm using 7 spices, cumin, black pepper and curry. You have everything listed in the recipe. Now I will remove it from the heat. Don't overcook the shrimp or prawns because they will become rubbery. Using the same pot, add enough oil and cook the rice. I soak the rice for 30 minutes minimum. Then I drain it and I will add the spices. I'm using 7 spices, cumin and salt, and cook on high until you see the grains are separated from each others. Now I will add water, and you could use cold or hot water, doesn't make a difference. Use enough water to cover the rice and almost about half an inch above the rice. Cover it and cook on medium low. When it's almost evaporated or absorbed by the rice, add prawns or shrimps back on top of the rice and cover and cook on medium low. Then when it's almost done, just turn it and cook for few minutes more on low. I made the same recipe with the black rice, you see, but you will surprise at the end how it turned. The taste was amazing, but I'll show you how it looks like. I also love raisin, and it will add some contrast. So I'm using 1/3 cup raisin. I just rinse it and use enough oil when you cook them. When they become round, remove them from the heat. See the black rice? Everything became black. The taste is amazing. I wish you'll try it. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.